Welcome to Log Furniture How To, the most all-inclusive site on the net for log and rustic furniture, fixtures, and decor. That's logfurnitureHowTo.com.
You hear that, guys? Or not? What's going on? Welcome back. It's a nice, calm morning. It's time to get up there, finish the roof. We've got some ridge caps to finish up there on the top side, just like we've done here. All right, you ready to do this? Let's go. All right, here's what we've got right here. We've got about a dozen of these left. We got one going here too, and over there. 10 snips. What else do we need? Oh, screw gun. Roofing screws. That's all there is to it. Let's go get that one. And then we'll go up on top. Okay, guys, let's go up. Oh, my screw gun's over there. Up on top. Look at all this roof. All right, let's get this thing done. Wind's picking up. We got to get this done. Okay, guys. So we've got one more 10-foot piece. Boom, right there. I'm going to save that for the ridge. Coming up short. I need a 6-foot and a 2-foot piece. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. Cut it right here. That's what we need right there. Right, more right there. That's gonna wrap it up right there. So, thanks for watching, guys. Come back next time. We'll get started down there on the saw. It's a lot of roof, huh? There's the saw right there. All right. Later. One of the tallest in the neighborhood. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Get another one there.